Hey guys, today I have a heated therapy vest to try out. It's almost like a heating pad that you can wear. And so since I had double spinal fusion about 18 months ago, my mid-back gets pretty stiff sometimes. So I thought this would be a fun thing to try out. The VJ Heated Apparel Company sent me this to try out. This is it's heated. It has a heating element on the back side of the vest and also on the front side of the vest. So this is turned on right now. The front side heats the lower abdomen. Now I don't think I would really, care about that much. I would think that would probably be maybe for like the ladies who get cramps or something like that. So you can actually just unplug that. So I'm going to unplug that side of it. I just am more worried about heating up my back. So the cord goes into that little pocket and zips up. Now I thought the batteries went in there. It comes with 2 batteries, so you have an extra battery. And I thought the batteries went in the pockets and they wouldn't fit. So I thought there was like something wrong with the vest, and then I realized I emailed the girl who sent it to me from the company. She goes, "No, goes in the side on the strap here, then it plugs in." So I was trying to stick them in those pockets and it didn't work. So this one here, it has the back side of the vest plugs in there. So the back is nice and warm. It also comes with a battery charger. So it comes with the battery charger, 2 batteries, and then the vest. So anyway, let me try it on and show you what it looks like. Alright, so here's how it looks when it's on. These 2 elastic straps just snap. This one's a little bit snug on my belly. They come in 2 sizes, small and large. This is the size small. I think size small is like small to large, and the larger size is like extra large to 3 or 4 extra large. So the other one might have been a little too big for me, I think. But this is fine. The nice thing about this, it actually feels pretty good on my back. You can see it goes down, to the top of my butt there. So, and it feels good. The warmth feels good on my back. Since I had my back surgery, it gets real tight in the middle part of my back, and actually you can feel the heat there. It actually feels pretty good. So, I think I might just try using this, putting it on in the mornings when I get up for a little while, and see how it works out. The nice thing is you can just wear it. You don't have to just, like a heating pad, you have to lay on it. You can't really do anything. This, you can be doing stuff. Heck, you can even hop in the car and, go somewhere with it on, if you're not going too far, I guess. And I think I can actually, I know I can put my jacket over the top because I've tried that already. So like on a cold morning, if I just wanted to put it on to warm up and put my jacket over the top, I could do that as well. So I'm kind of excited to see how this works out. I'll put all the information in the description if anybody wants to take a look at it. And the company they sent me some codes, some discount codes. I think they said 25% off if you use one of those codes. So the price for these is about $85 on Amazon. So you can also take these apart into 2 pieces, so you can make them into like 2 separate heating pads if you wanted to. But for me, the whole idea for me is just to put it on and wear it. I like that idea because I can be doing stuff while I have it on. So I will let you guys know how this works out. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.